October 15th, 2020, vocabulary. So, the distributive property. The definition is the multiplying of a sum or a difference by a number that will produce the same result of when you multiply each number in that sum or difference by a number. Then you add or subtract the products. So directions. We are going to put the following steps in order according to the distributive property with the first step on top. So the first part, the problem at least. Well, if I know that we get down to a single answer, 75 should be at the bottom, right? So we should have this at the bottom to get our single answer. So I'm going to move these over here because we didn't use them yet. So it doesn't necessarily always go biggest to smallest like an ice cream cone, like our order of operations kind of looks. But 75 is going to be our answer of what we're going to get. Now, how do you get that 75? Well, that 75, that's when you do 35 plus 40, right? So I'm going to actually move these down like this. So 35 plus 40 is going to be 75. Now, how did we get that 35 and that 40? Well, if you look, we could do, does 5 times 7 equal 35? Yeah. 5 times 8 equal 40? Yeah. That addition symbol? Yes, it is. So that's going to go there. And then, look, this number in front, it is right in front of these parentheses. So that would be showing the distributive property. So that's probably what they started with. Ooh, that looks kind of perfect, like a little tree or something. So that is what they start with, the distributive property. They broke it up into that 5 times that 7. So 5 times 7 plus 5 times 8. 5 times 8. Well, and then you do 5 times 7, which is 35. 5 times 8, which is 40. And then you add them, and you get 75. And that's all that we are doing for vocabulary today. Great job.